Have you ever been denied credit for something you thought you could afford? It happens to the best of us. You walk into a car dealership, all excited about your new wheels, only to be hit with a number that makes your jaw drop. Or maybe you're applying for that dream apartment, visions of rooftop barbecues dancing in your head, and then, crickets. Denied. These situations can be frustrating, but there's a silent player in the background that often has a big say: your credit report. That's right, those three little bureaus, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, hold a wealth of information about your financial history, and it's this information that lenders and landlords use to assess your creditworthiness. So, how do you take control of your financial narrative? How do you ensure your credit report accurately reflects your financial responsibility? Well, folks, that's where Equifax comes in. Now, before we dive into creating an Equifax account, let's be clear, there's no magic button to fix a bad credit report. However, having an Equifax account allows you to easily monitor your credit report, dispute any errors, and track your progress towards credit nirvana. Intrigued? Let's get started. Creating your Equifax account, a step-by-step guide. First things first, grab your laptop or phone and head over to the Equifax website. You won't need it for this video, but there it is, Equifax website. The sign-up process is pretty straightforward, but let's walk through it together to make sure you don't get tripped up. On the home page, you'll see a big blue button that says Register Now. Click that, and you'll be whisked away to the land of new accounts. Now, Equifax will need some information to verify your identity. This includes your first and last name, date of birth, social security number. Don't worry, the Equifax website is secure. Current address, mobile phone number, optional, but it can be handy for verification purposes. Once you've filled out this information, you'll be prompted to create a username and password. Make sure you choose something strong and unique. Don't reuse your birthday or that same password you use for everything else. Equifax will also ask you a couple of security questions. These are just in case you ever forget your password, so pick questions you'll remember the answers to, but hopefully you won't need them. Almost there. After this, you might be asked to verify your identity through a multi-step verification process. This could involve a code sent to your phone or a series of questions based on information in your credit report. Don't panic if you don't get it right the first time. Equifax will usually give you a few tries. Congratulations! You're now the proud owner of an Equifax account. Now that you're all set up, you can explore the wonders of your Equifax dashboard. Here, you can view your credit report, including details about your credit accounts, payment history, and any public records that may be affecting your score. Remember, your credit report is a living document, so it's important to check it regularly for any errors. If you see something fishy, don't hesitate to dispute it directly through your Equifax account. Beyond the basics, getting the most out of your Equifax account. Equifax offers a variety of tools and resources beyond just viewing your credit report. You can set up credit alerts to be notified of any changes to your report, and even take advantage of educational resources to improve your financial literacy. There are also paid services offered by Equifax, but those are a whole other conversation. For now, focus on familiarizing yourself with the free features available in your account. So, that's how to create an Equifax account and take that first step towards credit report mastery. Remember, a healthy credit score can open doors to lower interest rates, better loan options, and even the chance to snag that dream apartment with the killer rooftop view. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.